And welcome back to another Tipsy Tuesday with Ty King Services. I'm Ty King, so let's get started. Okay, guys, so this week I wanted to show you a little tip about posting on social media. Of course, we know how important social media is and how important it is to get regular posts out there for the public to see. It makes brand identity and it creates just an overall presence of your company, right? Okay, so we're not here to debate the worth of social media. So I want to show you a little trick that I use to create original content because we know that posts that usually have photos draw the eye, right? Okay, so let me show you this little secret of mine. It's called pexels.com. And what this is a site full of license-free professional photography. And so you'll see here, these are a few examples of the latest ones that have been uploaded. And so all these photos are free to use. And as you can see, there's some very interesting ones here. And I particularly enjoy looking up one subject and seeing all the different photos that are there for that. Okay, so let's say that you are having a flash sale for your business on your business page, okay? And you need a graphic for that. But rather than hiring a graphic designer to do a graphic that you're going to use just one time, maybe two or three after 2 or 3 years, you can simply type in fire because flash, fire, right? It goes together. And let's see what we got. Awesome. And so these are all very good. I like that one right there. Okay. So I'm going to click on it. And it says who it was that photographed it and uploaded it. And you can make a donation towards them if you want. And of course, follow them on Instagram or whatever social media that they use. It gets their likes up. It gives money in their pocket. If you want to donate them, that's completely up to you. You don't have to, and you're not obligated to, because this is free to use, as you can see right here. So I'm going to do a free download. Boop, boop. And then it gives you an option to donate again, follow them on Twitter or Instagram. And you can copy your the link back to this photo if you want to. If you want to give the photographer credit, you don't have to. This is all license free, which means it is free game. So let's go to facebook.com, and because that is my social media of choice. With these images, it goes. This is one of the very few things I would say it actually goes well with Instagram, because Instagram is very photograph and image based, right? So you're definitely going to want to have some original images to catch the eye to put on Instagram. But the same thing goes with Facebook. The thing with Facebook is you actually get more text to go along with your photo. Okay, so I'm going to go to my main page, which is of course Ty King Services. Okay, I'm going to upload this photo. And yellow flame, that be it. All right, and you can say a little something right now. Flash sale. Depending what it is you sell, you know what I mean. All items in store, I don't know, 30, yeah, 30% off, blah, 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 or whatever you want to do, you know what I mean? Or if maybe it's a particular item that you have, have pop sockets for sale. You can throw those out there and the price for that. For the sake of this, because it wouldn't make any sense for me to have a flash sale on anything I sell that's digital, I am just going to say that this post is on fire. Fine. side, and let's get started on your website for 2020. Okay, and of course you can put your hashtags down here. Okay, so I always put Tyking Services, hashtag web design. I always put my location, broad, and then more local. Okay. And I'm going to share it now. And there we have it. A nice looking, simple post, simply worded. These graphics that you're able to pull off Pexels and upload here, completely license free, like I said. And you have a really nice looking graphic here to go along with your post, and it catches the eye. That's pretty cool to me. I like it. And of course, you can render them any way you want to. A lot of the times, I take those pictures and I'll put like a green layer over the top of them to match my my theme of the digital green. Another great thing is Facebook ads, because Facebook ads are really, really picky about how much text is actually on your post that you're trying to promote. And a lot of the times it'll get shut down even though you pay for it. So this, you can put a simple couple of lines of text, and then you've got a great graphic. And I mean, point is across, everybody knows what you mean. And so it's using contextual clues plus imagery, and it's all psychology. So so yeah, that's my tip for today. Pexels.com, go there, completely license free photos. You can use those for your posts. I would recommend to use them on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. You can use them on Twitter, but Twitter's not really a photograph-based place, and so we'll cover that later in another subject, another day. All right, so I hope you guys got something out of that. I hope you learned something. I hope you use it, and stay tuned because we will have more Tipsy Tuesday videos coming up in the future, and also we'll have to see what's going on with Tyking Services for the year 2020, which is going to be a big revamp. And you guys are going to want to stay tuned. You're going to want to be a part of it. If you want to learn more about how to design websites, and you want to learn how to do what I do with social media, graphic design, and websites, if you want to learn yourself how to open up your own business doing exactly what I'm doing, I'll show you my methods. And so, yeah, it's pretty exciting times. All right. Well, have a great day, and go green, and we will see you in the next video.